federal member for Blair. Shane, I must say that scarf over your suit looks beautiful. Now tell me something, Shane, a celebration like this, what does it mean for the community as far as you're concerned?
Well, it's fantastic here. Of course, we've got a huge thriving population from the Indian community, and the Greater Springfield Indian Association have been putting this on for the last 4 years. It's a celebration of faith and culture and language, and of course the immense contribution that the Indian community here makes in Ipswich and Springfield.
Shane, of all the things you mentioned, if there was one thing you had to pick as your favorite part of this festival, because there's food, there's costumes, there's dance, there's music, what's your most favorite part?
I think all of those things are a wonderful expression of love.
And on this beautiful festival, Shane, if there was a message that you had to give the community, what would that be?
Be kind to one another, care for one another, accept one another, and show that you appreciate each other's culture.
I think that's something we all need to remind ourselves of. Thank you so much for chatting with us tonight, Shane. West Ipswich. Now, Wendy, your last name is spelled as Bourne. Are you related to Jason Bourne? Just on a very side note.
He's my boyfriend.
Don't we all wish?
No, I'm not related.
Wendy, is this your first Dandiya and Garba celebration that you're attending?
It is my very first one, and I have had the most amazing time. The costumes, the color, the noise, the food. Spectacular.
And what really stands out to you the most?
The community coming together, and I think it's been pretty rough times of late for Indian people, and I think we need to show people that they're most very welcome in this country, and we love to have you all here.
Wonderful, Wendy, that's a great message. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you. मेरे साथ है अली आबदी जो all the way London से आए हैं इस wonderful Navratri season में. So Ali ji, can you just tell me what is your impression of the way Brisbane celebrates Garba and Dandiya in Navratri?
Brisbane is hitting it hard. Brisbane is doing it so well. The colors, the tradition, the smells of food, and young, old, my age, everybody's here and enjoying itself. So I'm having a great time. The weather is great. London is, the weather is always a problem. So I'm really enjoying it. I can't knock it. It's really a great place.
Now that you mentioned London and the weather, I was just going to ask you, what are the Navratri celebrations like over there?
Over there, the parties are much more smaller because, you can never expect, the rain can come anytime. So I think, the parties are there. We've been to a few parties, but this is big, massive, colorful, really something else. Something else.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Thank you. मेरे साथ है इस इवेंट के शानदार DJ Yuri, जो actually Melbourne में रहते हैं, and he is now here in Brisbane. Yuri, how are you enjoying the evening from the other side of the stage?
Yeah, thank you, Sharmeen and Indoz TV for the opportunity. It's absolutely incredible to be on the stage and be able to play to a crowd like this. Last year, the weather was really challenging. It rained, but there was still dancing in poor rain coming down. So compared to that, be able to get a clear day like this, it's absolutely incredible to be here and be the DJ for an event like it. So yeah, I'm very, very grateful, very excited.
Nothing can dampen the spirit of Brisbane. Now tell me, what's the music plan for tonight?
Yeah, so the music plan for tonight is, as you can see, it's sort of a slower pace at the moment. It's an opportunity for people to be able to join in the circle, people that haven't, done a Garba before. And then slowly I'm going to keep picking up the pace, going to a medium pace and then get really fast. So you'll see it as I pick up the pace on it, it gets very, very faster. And then all the pro Guju dancers will come out and then they will do all of those sort of crazy steps, and it's all happening everywhere. So we'll get there very soon. But then it's going to be, that variations will come in, so people get a break, get an opportunity to take a break, get something to eat, and then come back. And then it's very traditional right now. It's going to go into Bollywood, and I've got lots of variety of Bollywood Dandiya as well, so can't wait to spin those numbers.
Honestly, Yuri, I can't wait for all the Bollywood to come out because that's what I love. Thank you so much for chatting with us
welcome.
tonight.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Well, talking about the weather, completely unrelated to Dandiya and Garba, but the weather in Springfield is always different from the weather in Brisbane.
Yes, it is. We sort of get the rain from the west and it a little bit misses us and lands on Brisbane. So yeah, we're a little bit blessed here with our weather. Yeah.
Wonderful. Pai, thank you so much for chatting with us and joining us tonight. I hope you have a fab evening.
Thank you.
Thank you. You couldn't have summed it up better, but I have to ask you something. Between the people, the music, the costumes and the food, if you had to pick one favorite thing, what would that be?
Always the food. But the costumes are pretty good too.
Wonderful, Paul. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Thank you. मेरे साथ है मुकेश दुबे जी जो GSIA के president है. मुकेश जी, months and months of planning. How are you feeling looking at your efforts playing out today on this beautiful area of Robel Domain?
I'm showing my gratitude to all of you. Actually क्या है, हम कितना भी मेहनत करो लेकिन ये पूरा डिपेंड ऑडियंस पे है और थैंक गॉड टू गॉड टुडे नो बारिश नथिंग नो रेन. Last year we had a 70% of rain, but 3,000 to 500, 4,000 people was dancing in the rain. But I'm very thankful to all Greater Springfield audience and thank you very much for Indoz TV as well. This year you guys played a major role and all the media channels, we got 8 media channels came through today and everyone supported today. So आज अभी जो वाइब देख रहे हैं डांडिया नेट का, ये वाइब ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा और आप लोगों का प्यार और जो आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए हमको, वो आपका जिस तरीके से अपना लगाव हो गया है तो ये हमेशा रहे. जय जगदम्बे मात की जय. ग्रेटर स्प्रिंगफील्ड में ये वाइब हर साल मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको. आपका मुझे हर साल सपोर्ट चाहिए और मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ आपका. मैं मुकेश दुबे ग्रेटर स्प्रिंगफील्ड इंडियन एसोसिएशन की तरफ से आप सभी को नवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.
बोले तो आपकी स्पीच बड़ी अच्छी लगी मुकेश जी. थैंक यू सो मच. और आपके घर में, आपके स्प्रिंगफील्ड के घर में बहुत रोशनी आए, ये मेरी दुआ है.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. मैं आई हैव नो वर्ड्स एट ऑल. आई हैव नो वर्ड्स. इतने लोग आके गले मिल रहे हैं, इतने लोग आई एम बिट इमोशनल. अभी कार के बाजू में जाके मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा कि मैं रो लूँ, इतना इमोशनल हो गया मैं आज. लोग आ रहे हैं, दे लाइक द वाइब. फूड स्टॉल्स वाले हैप्पी है, पार्किंग नहीं मिल रहा है भाई. दिस इज द वाइब वी वांट इन ग्रेटर स्प्रिंगफील्ड और आई लव दिस वन. तो हमेशा एज आई प्रॉमिस यू एवरी ईयर ये वाइब दिखाऊंगा. आप लोगों का हमेशा ये सपोर्ट रहना चाहिए. तो थैंक यू सो मच. और शर्मीन एंड लव यू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू मुकेश.
Thank you.
A blast in there. नाच के मैं तो भाई पागल हो गई हूँ. It's just been insane. The energy is so good. इतना vibrant है. I don't know ये कब तक चलेगा. I have to leave, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I want to go back in and dance. It's been a great night. Food stalls भर के है. Every variety of food. There've been performances. There's been a workshop. So बहुत सारी आज की attractions है. And like you can see कि energy बस बिल्कुल बढ़ रही है. You know what? I'm gonna go back in. But मेरी तरफ से और Indoz TV की तरफ से thank you so much for joining us at the Dandiya Night organized by Greater Springfield Indian Association. See you at the next event, Brisbane. I'm Sharmeen Thomas with cameraman Lavi Khatri, and we're bringing you the best of the best events here in our very own Brisbane.